Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic Onshape tutorial how to rotate sketch. So as example, you can create sketch by clicking the sketch tools and I will choose the top plane. Go into top view. The next to create a simple sketch, I will draw with this rectangle. You can draw start from this point into here. And then if you want to rotate this sketch, we can use the transform tools. You can click at these icons, drop down menu, and then you can choose the transform. Select the objects, and you can see we have these rotation tools. You can click, hold, and then you can set for the angles, like I will set into 45 degree, press enter to rotate. Okay, you can press escape button to close from this command. To rotate again, you can click at these icons, you can move like to the bottom here, we can set like 70 degree, press enter again. Okay, that's it for a basic Onshape tutorial, how to rotate a sketch. If you have any question about tutorial, you can comment below this video.